In this video, we are going to create this viral aesthetic match cut transition in DaVinci Resolve in a few minutes. With this, you can create SaaS explainers, product ads, and high-end commercials. Let's go. Go to Effects and bring out a Fusion composition in the timeline. Then open it in the Fusion page. Bring out a background node and connect it to the media out. Change the background color to off-white. Now first we are going to create the animation and the design for the first chat, and then we will create the match cut. So bring out a background, merge it, then change the color of the background to white. Then put a rectangle mask on it. And now adjust the width and the height to turn it into a chat bubble. You can increase the corner radius all the way up or keep it somewhere in the between. That is really up to you. Whatever your eyes like. Now for all the text animations, I am going to use the Neo Motion text. So I will bring that out. For the text animations, I'll be using the animated text pack from New Edit. I highly recommend it because it's so premium and packed with value for the money you pay. Ever since I got my hands on it, I don't use the normal text plus anymore. Link is in the description and pinned comment. Merge it. The first text is "How are you?" Then we are going to change the font to SF Pro Display, the link to which you will get in the description. Then change the color to black, and we will change the justify to left align it. Then we will take it right here and turn down the size. That is perfect, and now you can add other elements to it like adding emojis or something else, but I'm going to keep it simple. For the animation, I will keep the slide in the fade. That looks good. And now after designing the first chat, select all of this like that, then press shift and take it out like that. Now bring out a background node and connect it to the first merge and turn the alpha for the background node all the way down. Now select all of this and press Ctrl G. This will group everything. Now merge this group and then add a transform node. Now go to frame 0, turn the size down, put a keyframe, then go to frame 50 and turn it to 1 again. Now go to settings and add motion blur. So this is our animation, but we will go to the spline tab and select the transform, then press this button, Ctrl A and press S. After that press T and change the ease in value to 70 and the ease out value to 70 as well. That will give us this spike in the speed in between, and it will be slow in the start and the end, which is ideal for a match cut transition. Close the spline tab, and now for the second chat we will just copy this and paste it again, merge it, connect the group, and for the second one we are just going to change the color of the background. We will make it a gradient. Then go to the text and change the text color to white and change the text as well. Now according to the length of your text, you can also change the width of this chat bubble. So that is what I'm going to do. Change the width and then also reposition this text. So now we will create the match cut transition. So take the playhead to frame 25 because this is the point where there is the spike of speed in the animation, and then open the keyframes, press this button to fit everything in, then select the first merge and drag it like that. The kids are going crazy, man, outside. What the fuck them kids? Fuck them! I don't give a fuck! And then select the second one and drag it like this. So what we want to do is we want to keep the first merge on the left side of the playhead and the second one on the right side. So basically this starts and goes till this playhead, and then after that the second text animation starts and it goes all the way to the end of the clip. I hope that's clear, and if you have any doubt you can ask that in the comment section. And that will give us this. Wait a second, I have to go to the edit page, then load the render cage, and then I can show you the complete animation. This is our clean match cut transition. And now you can use the same principle for anything. But I will show you one more thing, and that is the match kit transition for the text. So for the text, it is really easy. You can bring out a fusion composition. You have to bring out a fusion composition in the timeline and then open it in the fusion page. Bring out a background node, connect it, turn the alpha all the way down. Then I will bring out the new motion text, change the text to match and the font to SF Pro display, regular to bold, reduce the tracking, and that is the design. And then add a transform node to this. Then go back to frame 0, turn the size down, keyframe it, go to frame 30 and again change the size to 1. Go to settings and add motion blur. Go to the spline tab, select everything, press this button, Ctrl A and press S. And again press T and increase the ease in and ease out values for that spike in the animation in between. So this is the animation, and now we will just duplicate this, change the text to cut and change the color to blue, or we will turn it into a gradient. And now the last step, open the keyframes, press this button, select the first merge, but before that make sure you are in between of the animation, like on the frame where there is the spike. So select the first merge and drag it like that, and the second one and drag it like this, and that will give you this. Now that is it for this tutorial. Man, I'm always confused what to say in the end. Have a good night.